up? It's your boy GTV, and I got my boys in the car. We gonna ride out, do some stupid shit. Let's see how this 93 tune, the JLT coder intake. We show them boy what it do. Oh, let me take this mask off.
I actually thought about it. You recording too. Bet.
Oh shit, I ran a stop sign.
Fuck this shit.
Ran a stop sign. Oops.
You did see that hell, that wide body, but that blacked out one.
Yeah, I see that.
I was like, damn. These folks got, because there's a dude that got a Camaro in one of them garage. That be loud as a motherfucker.
And then that way I can just do my intro when I get back out. Cause I can just that's when I can just give like kind of interview you, so you can give me a rundown on the car. And then I can just put it in order.
He no Bird, don't?
I don't know.
Bird the one. Nah, shit, I don't got nothing to hold on to. Shit, I'm just in this bitch wobbling and goddamn.
This your first manual?
Yeah, it's my first manual. Damn, it's my first one.
My first car was a manual.
So I love it.
I mean, this bitch balled the fuck up.
So I love it.
This shit is.
I got the damn seat warmer on.
Ass on fire.
I swear.
Don't they do it for the back too? I know I do mine. It go to the back as well.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh nah, I don't know if you're doing the back.
Your shit fully loaded though, ain't it?
Nah, this is
Yeah, mine. So I don't think I don't have the
That's why.
performance pack and that manual ride.
Son got the best of the best. Look, I'm gonna see. I'm putting it in normal mode so that bit. I ain't never used launch. I use launch control, but I ain't never did it the right way.
Mm-hmm.
I just go off faith for like fuck it.
Man, but shit, how are you on the light? Are you good on the light?
A little bit. But it all depends. Like I can smash.
And how is your heel toe?
Straight. I can do a quick one right here. It just when I turn the traction control off, we ain't going straight. We going left and right, just like that. We twerking in this bit.
I never forget the first time I fished it. My daddy got a GT. He got a 03.
Yeah.
And goddamn, man, the first time I ever drove his shit, I was turning out to go left. And that bitch just keep pulling. I like that, boy. I like that.
And then with that JLT and a goddamn
Yeah.
Like I said, you see how like shit.
That was traction control on or off?
No, it's on.
Yeah.
I'm putting sport mode. I heard that bitch jump.
And that bitch got a little louder. Yeah, and I feel like it would be hell. I feel like it would be hell in the manual. Yes, sir. That bitch stand up a little bit.
So that bitch be flowing for real.
Yeah.
That bitch be flowing.
What you got it up to?
Shit, the highest I ever went to was 155. But shit,
that one maxed out at.
155. But since I tuned it, I took the speed limit off. I go 200 if I want to. I go 200, but shit, I ain't got nowhere safely to go 200 for real.
Yeah,
So.
no. Well, up here, you can go to the track.
Yeah, you're right.
And shit, we go to the track. Me and my homeboy got a booster
For real.
with a turbo on it and nitrous. So shit, and goddamn, we'll go to the track anytime. Actually, he actually got mad. I was at his house when you called me and told me to pull up. That nigga got mad because he was like, shit, he wanted to come and gap one of y'all.
Oh shit, we can do that too.
You know who I'm talking about, Ian? Deep.
Yeah.
Oh, like shit, say less.
That nigga said he wanted to come gap one of y'all.
I'm all good.
Yeah, if you haven't got that tune, so he got the same horsepower me and Diaz and got
Oh, shit, before the tune, I'm racing a Corvette.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, you look at the first video, I got smoked. That motherfucker said,
I raced the C6 come back, bro. I looked down at my dad, I said, I'm going 140. I said, this motherfucker, he got like a cam. Keep in mind, the Corvette already wide in the back. Tell me why this nigga made that bit wider.
Damn.
But he still kept going. He cut right in front of me. I said, man, I slowed down after that.
You ain't no real driver though.
He cut in front of me though. And I was in normal mode. I ain't use no paddle shifters. And I'm still sticking with this man.
You ain't no real driver though.
How?
Man, boy, Diaz almost got his ass gapped by Infinity, bro. He was like this because he was playing when I said, bro, don't be playing.
See, them got that.
Is it a short throw in here?
Nah, that's what I want to put in short throw shifter. I was thinking about upgrading this one for the short throw. That motherfucker just like that.
And the shifts, your shifts will be so much quicker, bro. Your shifts will be so much quicker. Them are some female boots.
I'm already know it.
Lord have mercy. And it's fat and it's off, right?
Nah, I'm straight piping this boy. I'm trying to find a little.
It's straight pipe now?
Yeah.
Damn them shit, man. You need to hear that bitch in the goddamn garage. Goddamn, wake up the whole goddamn neighborhood feel like
swear, bro. I want to keep my damn. I want to take my damn cats off, but shit.
So you left the cats on?
Yeah. But shit, it's like the same.
That bit gonna be. That bit might be a little too much. You take them cats off. It sounds good as fuck now, though.
I already know.
If anything, you just go back out and just get back on
Oh, that's a nice little spot.
the highway.
Let's see.
I could have got my damn radar. We could have just hit the highway.
Is the movie there still on?
Shit, I ain't think so.
Does it have hill assist?
Yep.
That shit, I know that shit clutch, but
Shit, boy, that bitch got straight hell assist. Fuck it, why not? Oh shit, that bitch locked, damn it. The damn gate.
yeah.
I'm like, damn, I ain't know. What the fuck they doing in there? Oh, they probably renovating that motherfucker.
No, I'm trying to be honest. That bitch still on.
I ain't know they was still open. Oh yeah, I know what we can do.
Oh yeah.
Right now, it's like a little straightaway.
All right. Most importantly, did your hoe rate go
Definitely.
up?
What they be saying? 100%. 100%. Definitely.
That nigga has now reached the stage in his life where he don't give a fuck where he will.
I'm going right up
Because
on this.
regardless. I was finna say you forgot about the turn.
Oh, no, I just wanted to hit it real quick. Let me show you what I'm
He
talking
always do that shit, goddamn.
I'm gonna show you how nasty this big is.
Yup.
Let me show you how nasty this bitch get if I just stamp on the hook.
You got out of it. Ooh, alright.
Listen,
Wait till I get this essence. Wait till I get this motherfucking essence. I'm gonna show y'all boy how to drive a manual.
that shit low key straight. Like when I be bored, bro, I be driving. I just be cruising on some chill shit, bro.
And literally, you know how you'll be driving, bro, and you just be like bored driving. Driving a manual, it keeps you engaged, like with your car and with where you going.
Hell yeah.
Damn, that motherfucker.
Especially when you got a truck.
That motherfucker.
What's on the car? Damn.
Driving that bitch. Yeah, you drove that bitch yet?
You still trying to teach me how to drive?
You don't. Oh yeah, you don't.
Like, I never drove a stick shift.
And it's different too. Have you drove like an old stick shift?
You talking to me?
No.
Oh, nah, I ain't never drove an old one at all. First Mustang I drove was the Sean. He got like a 2014, so he taught me in that one. And he taught me when he was drunk driving that boy, so.
What the fuck?
So
That was so funny. Like I ain't know how to shift. He was just like, look, I'm on. When I say, he was like, I'm gonna just say clutch and I'm gonna shift for you. And that's how we went about it. Shit was so funny, bro.
Man, when I get my truck out the shop, I'm gonna let you drive it so you can see the difference between like an old shift. Cause anything old, when it comes to a Mustang, a Camaro, a truck, they all pretty much shift the same, in my opinion.
Cause like,
I'm gonna let you see the difference, bro. You gonna be like, what the fuck?
I know. Shit, he was straight at the head.
I don't know what
from watching Cars, bro. Go right to go left.
From watching?
From watching Cars, the movie, the cartoon.
That nigga.
If you want to drift, bro, go right, turn right to go left. Turn right.
In a sense.
Say go right to go left.
That boy said he got this shit off from watching Cars.
Hey,
You talking about when they was on that dirt road?
Yeah.
I mean, hey, I learned how to drive a manual by driving a Ryan lawnmower.
What the fuck?
We had a manual Ryan lawnmower. That's how I learned how to drive a stick. And that's why my first car was a stick.
There's some odd way to learn how to drive a manual around this.
Shit.
Hey,
I drove a manual dirt bike. That shit's so fun. The only thing, when you pop that clutch too hard, that bitch lifting up.
hey.
They say that's the best way to learn from a damn dirt bike.
Yeah.
Oh, I ain't did a dirt bike. I did a which one called?
Four wheels, all of
Four wheel.
them.
Dirt bike scared the shit out of me. Ying ying.
Really?
I swear, bro. I get the yin in that motherfucker too hard,
So
bro.
a bike no? Shit,
No, the bike straight.
A bike scare me worse than the goddamn.
I got four
dirt
wheels.
bike.
I got 4 wheels, bro.
Bro, a bike scare me worse. I'm talking about a motorcycle.
And then only thing about the fucking 4 wheel I don't like, bro, you gotta turn, bro. You can't turn that bitch because you gonna flip that hoe. My boy flipped off that bitch. I said, damn.
But you gotta know like how to give it that gas, and then you'll be able to cut it.
Yeah, cause
Really cut that bitch.
he'll turn that bitch, bro, get that bitch some gas, that bitch will slide.
Yeah, and then once you get that bitch, get to sliding that bitch like that, bro, it's over. And you can do that on concrete or grass. It don't matter.
Yeah. We had went to like this little dirt road, spinning that bitch, bro. Trying to say we was making a little baby video for real.
They really put a. I didn't know. I didn't. What year did?
2017.
I wonder what year they started putting 6 speeds on these.
I thought they were all 6. Said nothing all for some 5 speed.
I ain't never heard of 5 speed.
I know what generation Mustang is this? 5th?
Just 6.
6? So what that would have been 4th gen is like the 2000s model. Those are all 5 speeds. Cobras are 5. Them model Cobras are 5 speeds. Like the Terminators are 5 speeds.
Them motherfuckers fast too.
Yeah,
I want that Terminator. I'm not gonna lie. My first year I learned to drive a stick before I get in this goddamn thing. I want a Dodge Viper.
Fast don't.
I want that Calvo version though.
Man, you need to look up the new Vipers when you get home. The ACRs.
Yeah, no one. Well, I don't know about the new one. I just knew about the 17 model.
The 17 ACRs.
Yeah, and they put them, and they taking the Calvo Motorsports and putting about 2,600 horsepower on them bitches.
You know them how doing. I was finna say you know them how like from the factory doing about like 250.
That's crazy.
Shit, just like people still don't know about the king of the what is it called? The king of the road GT500 that just came out.
They been not the king of the road first and foremost.
That's what the KR mean.
Yeah.
That bitch coming out 900 horsepower off the rip.
Real.
You can't do nothing. What else can you do to that bitch?
Straight pipe.
you can't do too much to a GT500 in them Hellcats. What else can you do to them?
That's it. That's all I did for real. I want to cover all this shit for real.
You gonna keep it what?
Nah, I'm talking about like other shit. I was
No, come on, you gonna keep it what?
Yeah.
What color you gonna match?
Nah, I'm doing carbon fiber.
Oh, you see all of these?
Nah, just on top of the hood. On top of the hood. On top of the hood. That's all.
Damn, man.
So we have fun in this
I
bit.
mean, them over clean, but I hate how bad I'm gonna do you when I got them keep this